Okay. Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your biodata from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can understand, ma'am. I speak also, but not fluent.
As long as you can communicate with your employer, is we don't have any problem. But if you really don't know how to communicate, then that's the problem. There is no point of coming here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you po.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. I'm very willing to work in Malaysia.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No,
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
no, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am. No issues.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I'm agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I want to try another opportunity, ma'am.
Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I think it's better.
Sorry?
I think Malaysia is better because Hong Kong you need to pay what calls that
Agency fees, what?
placement fee like that.
Placement.
Yes,
All right.
placement fee.
All right. So, what is your name?
My name is Chane Rosladao,
How old are you?
33 years old, mom.
Are you single or married?
Single mother, mom.
No live-in partner, no boyfriend.
No, mom.
When is your birthday?
March 3, 1993.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 48. My height is 5'1". My weight is 48.
What is your religion?
Seventh Day Adventist.
What about your educational background?
Mom, I only elementary graduate.
It's okay, you can still communicate, right? So it doesn't matter. As long as you will work harder, then we don't have any problem, okay? How
Yes,
many
thank you, mom.
children do you have?
I have 4 children, mom. They already grown up.
All right.
My
How
youngest is 12 years old.
12 years old. So your the ages of your children, can you
Yes, and the youngest one, the oldest one is 16. The second one is 15. Na nawala siya, ma'am.
how old are those children again?
The eldest is 16. The second one is 15. The third one is 13, and the youngest is 12.
All right. So who will going to take care of your or who will going to look after your children knowing that you are a single mother?
My mother, ma'am,
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
67.
Okay? What is
Occupation is a housewife only.
all right? How many brother and sister do you have?
We we have my brother is I have four.
Okay?
My sister is three.
All right. What is your rank in your family?
8.
Okay. So, it was stated in your profile, right, that you have a working experience in Riyadh way back 2019 to 2025 for 6 years.
Yes, 7 years, ma'am. 7 years.
2019, 20. So you mean what month of 2019 you started?
November.
So November 2019 until
Yes, ma'am. Until I come home was October 2015 at 2026.
2025.
25.
So 6 years, 6 years only lah, 6 years and Yala.
Mm.
6 years. Okay. So, what is your job responsibilities inside the house?
My main responsibility is only taking care of my employer, though also breakfast and cleaning his room and washing his clothes.
Okay. So, how is that? Is it elderly or what?
Elderly ma'am, 88,
A female or male?
male.
Male. So you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing, and somehow you take care an 88 years old male elderly, correct?
Yes ma'am.
What happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer? But of course, you've been working there for 6 years.
Mm,
Why you
when
decided to go back home in the Philippines?
I only decided for go vacation, but some happened, so I didn't come back.
What kind of something happened that you didn't come back?
My grandmother's died that time when it's time for me to come back in Saudi Arabia. But they can't wait to me, so they find another one.
Okay. But I would just like to let you know that Riyadh and Malaysia is quite different. Houses here is quite big. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. I don't want later that you will going to compare Riyadh and Malaysia. No such a thing. All right?
I understand,
Is a
ma'am.
massive different. All right? So, you need to expect those unexpected things. You need to be flexible. You need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes,
Can you take care elderly people?
yes.
Can you cook?
Basic, ma'am.
But you are willing to learn some new recipes.
I am very willing.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes,
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
yes,
This is a 2 years contract, same like what you did in Riyadh, all right? But of course, you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family, you cannot handle your job anymore, or there is any such uncertain things that happened to your family back in the Philippines. No such a thing. Because this is a 2 years contract, and once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. All right?
yes. Understood,
And are
ma'am.
you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, right?
Yes, the agency told us about
You
that.
can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Very okay, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay? It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay, you can come work properly. But if you disagree, it's fine. You have your choices, you have your options, okay? If you don't want our terms
Yes,
and conditions, you can stay in the Philippines, find job opportunities into other countries. Because we don't want later it happen that you are forcing yourself some more or somehow later once you come to work here you give us problem. No such a thing. All right.
yes, ma'am. Understood.
All right. Normally, how do you fight your homesickness once it strikes you?
When I was in Korea, just working and thinking this, I need this job to provide my children's needs.
Okay, remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time, knowing that you are a single mother, right? So in
Yes,
Philippines, we can do whatever we want. We can be the boss there, but not in other countries, right? We need to humble ourselves. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any
yes,
problems,
sir.
any concerns, inform the employer because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, yes.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you
Thank
so
you so
much
much,
and have a
ma'am.
good
Thank
day.
you so
Bye.
much.